Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the Gleaming Goddess. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything that I have invested in as a content creator. So if you are starting out or want to start a new channel and do not know where to start, what things to get, what equipments you might need, this video is going to be super helpful for you. So first thing first, आपको content creation के लिए you obviously need a recording device. But because I was just starting out, I did not want to invest in an expensive camera or an iPhone. If you already have an iPhone, that's great. You can literally just start recording with it because a lot of content creators that I know, that I follow all over the world, use iPhone. So for now, I record on my Android phone. I used Narzo 60G Pro, and इससे पहले I was using my Narzo 20. Now you also need good lighting. So back in 2020 I got this ring light and tripod, which is not available on Amazon anymore, because back in the day this whole ring light with tripod set costed me around 1,000 rupees, and now if you want to buy a professional grade good quality ring light, it would cost around 3 to 4,000. One of the DIGITEK ring lights that has been on my wish list forever is their 18-inch ring light. Now that comes in two variants as well. उसमें एक 156 centimeter वाला tripod आता है, and this other one has I think 250 centimeter or something long tripod. And दोनों के price में I think 1,000 rupees के आसपास का कुछ difference है. I'm not very sure about it, but I'll share the details in the description box below, and I'll add the links as well. Now I do not have any affiliate with DIGITEK or any other brand for now. So these are non-affiliate links. I do not earn anything out of it. So a few months ago, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे videos में ना थोड़ा depth and character add करने के लिए I need to invest a little something in my background lighting. So for that, I got this portable RGB LED light from DIGITEK. Now this one comes in a variety of mode. Basically, it comes in 3 modes and has a variety of settings. इसमें I think 2500K to 9900K lumens तक आप इसका color temperature adjust कर सकते हो. Plus it is rechargeable. Now this one comes with lots of effects. Like इसमें preset effects हैं already, 6 effects हैं A to G. Now there is A1, A2, A3, then there is B1, B2, B3, and ऐसे करके 6 जो settings हैं, effects हैं, उनके 3 mini subsets हैं. So like there are so many effects to choose from. You can literally create any background, any setup that you want to create for your videos. If you do not want to use this one as a background light, you can obviously use this one as a front light, as a main light. I do not like to use it as my main light because I think it does not go really well with my current lighting setup. But I think it's good for brightening up my face here and there whenever I need it. But yeah, mostly I like to use it as my background light only. Now I record my videos while sitting down, so to hold this light in place, I invested in this little tripod. I think this one was for about 350 rupees on Amazon, and this one also has a mini LED light. Now this one is not as effective as they were claiming it to be, but I think this one comes in really handy because it's portable. You can carry it anywhere. You can adjust the height up to this much. Like, it's really easy to use. And just to give you an idea, again, I have set it up at my back, and just see how instantly it has changed the whole setting. I really think it is a good investment if you want to create a better environment for your recording. As a creator, you are going to run out of space, so it's best to invest in a good quality hard drive जिसमें आप अपनी सारी files transfer करके safely रख सकते हो. I have invested in one from WD. I have 1 terabyte hard drive, and that's where I store most of my videos, and some I store in my laptop as well before editing. And after the edits, I clean up my laptop, my phone, every single time. This is the ritual I follow to keep my phone and laptop running smoothly. Now if you do not want to invest in a ring light, you can also shoot your videos in outdoor setup. You can shoot your videos in natural sunlight, but I do not have that kind of privilege because I sort of live in a noisy neighborhood, and if I were to shoot in my terrace or on my balcony, it would be really hard. So I prefer to do it at night and in my room with all the lighting setup that I just shared with you. That's all I use for recording and storing my videos as a content creator. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.